How to fix Samsung A16 alarm no sound. So let's start the video. First of all, turn off your silence alarm mode, then open setting. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and open clock and then click on clock setting. First of all, turn off this silence alarm when system sound is off button off. After turning this button off, then go back and scroll down and click on storage and then clear your cache data and app data. After clearing all data, then go back and click on device care. In device care, you can check your software update. After checking your software update, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.